Learn how to enable comments on YouTube. So if comments are turned off, with one single step, we will be able to do it. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and enable comments on YouTube. So open any of your favorite browser and type studio.youtube.com. You just need to type this, which I have just highlighted for you. So once you have typed studio.youtube.com, you will open up the studio homepage where your channel will look like this. And here you need to go to this content tab. Whichever the video you want to turn off or turn on the comments, you just need to put the cursor right there like this, and then just click on this details. And at the left hand side, you will have many options. Just scroll down, and here you will find an option called show more. So I just need to click on that and scroll down more, and here you will find option called comments and ratings. Allow all comments, disable comments, hold all, or hold potentially. So you can do that once you have made the changes. You just need to click on save, and hooray, we have successfully turned on the comments on YouTube. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.